In this video, I will show you how to install the YouTube app on your PC or laptop. Let's get started. Open your web browser. You can use either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Go to youtube.com. Click on the download icon at the top right corner of the address bar. Click Install to proceed. This will initiate the installation process. Alternatively, click on the three-dot menu and select the Save and Share option. Click Install YouTube to proceed. This will initiate the installation process. Once installed, you can find the YouTube app shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu. Simply click on it to launch the app. You can pin it to the taskbar for easier access. That's it. You've now successfully installed the YouTube app on your PC or laptop.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.